Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Rochelle. If you're new, thank you so much for being here. If you're an OG, love you so much. Also, thank you for being here. Today, I have beauty trash to go through. It's not been that long since I've done one of these, but I swear I go through products like all at the same time, and then I'm just left with a ton of stuff, and I don't want it to be in my closet anymore. So I'm going to sit here and kind of talk through products that I've completely gone through, let you know if I think, yeah, you should spend your money on this, I would do it again, or nah, brah, it was kind of torture to have to go through this completely. You know? One of those videos. We love it. Okay, I'm going to zip it and let's get into this video. Let's do. First things first, we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Hair Mask. Smells delightful. Makes your hair so soft, so smooth, so shiny. Absolutely obsessed with it. I'm pretty sure that you can get these at Sephora. I got mine around Christmas time, okay? So it took me a hot minute to go through it, but absolutely incredible. Absolutely would repurchase and absolutely would recommend somebody else to give this one a try. Absolutely, absolutely love. Next up, I have a Dove antibacterial body wash. Smell wasn't that great, to be honest with you. This might be TMI, but you know, we're all about honesty on this channel. I have problems with getting like fungal skin infections. I know, disgusting, right? Just gross. I'm pretty sure I picked it up at the gym, which is rad. But I would start to get like rashes almost, and I talked to my aunt. She said get something that's antibacterial. I got this, and I haven't had any problems since. So I guess it worked. If I run into this problem again, I'd probably repurchase this again, but knock on wood, I won't have to. So there's that information. I don't know. Sticking with body wash, moisturizing body wash by Bath & Body Works, Sunset Glow. This is no longer in store anymore, so you can't purchase it, but any of the moisturizing body washes, you've heard me talk about this before. I shave with them, I wash my body with them, I smell delightful after the shower with them, I am hydrated because of them after the shower. Love them, will forever repurchase them. I have a different fragrance in my bathroom right now, but moisturizing body wash is where it's at, okay? Okay. Next up, I have a Pureology Clean Volume spray for your roots. I wasn't obsessed with it. I did like that it didn't make my hair like stupid stiff, because that does tend to happen. But I don't think I'd repurchase it. It wasn't my favorite. To be honest with you, I just accept the fact that I don't have volume nowadays. So I probably wouldn't repurchase if you're somebody that has like fine, thin hair and you don't like stiffness on your roots. Maybe give it a shot. I didn't hate it. I remember that much. So that's always a good thing. I liked it. Okay? Next up, of course, it's in every single video. I'm not going to talk about it long. Bandai Sans Aero Liquid Gold Tanning Mousse. Love it. Will forever repurchase it. I am using the water line from Bandai Sans right now, though, and I really like that too, which I was surprised by. But I'll always have a backup of one of these when I run out of the water one. I'll go back and forth between the two because I love them both, okay? Love. Repurchase, yes. Recommend, yes, of course. Next, we have the Bandai Sans Self-Tan Eraser. I really liked this. I do think it made a difference, but honestly, I'm just too cheap to go out and purchase more of it. It worked really well with like a spin brush, and after like soaking in the tub, it got your tan off super easily. The smell of it was kind of stinky though. I don't know what else to say. I probably won't repurchase. If I had oodles amount of money, I would though. You know? It's kind of one of those things, and it's leaking, so I'm going to move on now. You saw this one coming, okay? Neutrogena Ultra. Did I say that right? Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser Creamy Formula. This is the only face wash that I use. I currently have it in my bathroom. I will forever repurchase. Does the job. Doesn't dry my skin out. My dermatologist recommended me to use it. So yes, I will continue to reuse it. Next up, I have an aromatherapy bubble bath by Bath & Body Works. This is the chamomile and bergamot fragrance. Out of all of the aromatherapy line, wow, it's gooped up. Yuck. This one is my favorite. I love the way that this smells. It's just super clean, Really light, still a little bit sweet. Really into it. I did like it was kind of like luxurious to be able to use like an actual bubble bath. A lot of the times I will just use like shower gel as my bubble bath. So I enjoyed using this. It definitely is kind of like an added effect to your spa days when you have them at home, which hopefully you do because self-care is important. But yes, I would repurchase this. I think it's really nice, lovely. I love the smell. Bubbles up really nicely, and you can smell the fragrance throughout your entire bath, which is huge because that doesn't always happen. Love this. Okay, next up I have 2 body creams from Bath & Body Works. This is Pink Watermelon and then Sunwash Citrus. I liked both of them. I love our body creams. I choose them over the lotions all day, every day. Obsessed. Love the smells. Great. I have this one in a wallflower right now, and I am really, really digging it. Wow, something definitely spilled in here. This is gnarly. Yuck. Next up, I have a Batiste Dry Shampoo. I use these all the time. It's like the only dry shampoo that I use. It's cheap, it's effective, does the job. What more do you need? Yes, I would recommend. Yes, I would repurchase. I use the dark one right now. That's the one that I'm currently using, and I really like that one because I have dark hair. Can you tell? Thanks. Next up, I have another Bath & Body Works product. I like them a lot. Okay, thank you. This is the coconut water. They do currently have this in store right now. I love the smell of this. When it was released, I was very, very excited. This is a body butter. So on the grand scheme of things, body lotion is going to be lightest, body cream's next up, and then body butter is going to be the richest of the rich. And I really, really liked this one. I like the way it smells. They have multiple different fragrances within this line, and all of them were super, super nice. But yes, I would recommend. Yes, I would repurchase. Duh. Alright, oddball here. My absolute favorite pre-workout. So Donovan, my husband, was the one that kind of like showed me this line right here. And when I tell you that I have never had a better tasting pre-workout and a more, what is the word I'm looking for? Potent? I don't think that's the word I wanted, but we're going to stick with it. A more potent pre-workout, this is where it's at. So this is by the brand Ryze. This is in the flavor Tiger's Blood, and when I tell you we flew through this, it's like I was addicted. Well, I definitely am addicted to pre-workout if I'm honest. But so, so good, so sweet. I would drink this every single day even if it didn't have the pre-workout benefits to it because it tastes so, so good. They are sold out a lot of the time. Like, we haven't been able to replenish any of our stash because they're sold out a lot of the time, but absolutely obsessed. Love the pre-workout. This is the only flavor that we've had, but I would definitely repurchase that one and probably try other ones too. Super into it. And then sticking with that, this is what took up most of my space, which is why this video had to happen. This is the Ryze protein powder. So this was the peanut butter cup flavor, and again, it was just super tasty. That's like, I've never had one that's been this tasty where I've been like, yep, I would like to take that after my workout. I would like to take it even if I don't work out. Literally, the taste of it alone is just so, so good. You have 25 grams of protein. You have 150 calories per scoop. What else would you like to know? I don't know. Super nice. It is a whey protein. So if you're somebody that has problems with dairy, keep that in mind. I don't know if they have a non-whey one. But absolutely obsessed. Love the taste. Delightful. Again, it's hard to get your hands on this, so if you are lucky enough to get your hands on it, maybe stock up because it's sold out all the time. Okay, last but not least, I have this little baby bottle right here. I have talked about this on my channel before. I think it was in my favorites. This is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. So this is one of those products that you will use heat with. That's how it's activated. So you will obviously shampoo, condition, get out of the shower, towel dry, and then in sections you will spray this on there, brush it through, and then I would take like my round brush or any kind of brush to give tension, because it mentions that tension is a good thing to do, and then just kind of like blow dry. Act like this is my blow dryer. Blow dry my hair, you know? And it made it super, super shiny. That was like my number one thing, is it was so shiny and super smooth. If you're somebody that deals with like a lot of flyaways or frizziness, you might love this product. So there you go. Yes, I would repurchase. Yes, I would recommend. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also make sure to subscribe down below. I did just do a video earlier on TikTok on a Jaclyn Hill summer collection first impression. So if you are interested in that, please follow me on TikTok. Go check that out. Sometimes when I don't have a ton of time to do a full-blown YouTube video, a lot of my content will end up on TikTok. So make sure to follow me on there. I'm also trying to be a little bit more active on Instagram, so that will be also linked in the description box down below. As well as all the products that I did mention, I will have all of those linked for you to purchase if you would like. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.